Hello, customers from around the world. Today we're gonna show you what you have to look for when you purchase or want to buy machines in China. We're here at the customer's yard inspecting a 966H. First thing you have to look for is a serial. Caterpillar never put a serial down here at the bottom. The serial plate is always up here, with a 3-digit prefix and a 5-digit suffix. And then you can check not even the tires are the size of a 23.5. The bucket, the original bucket of a 966 is much larger than this one. They got brake pressure, like air brake system. I've never seen that on a Caterpillar 966H. Not even the counterweight looks like a 966H. What much more funny is the interior. I'll show you the cab of one. You can also check the engine. This is not Caterpillar. Look at the dashboard, seat, and the joystick. So better to prove everything first before sending any money to China.